Now, when you think of number one in the iTunes songs chart, you think of the likes of Lewis Capaldi, Stormzy, maybe a little bit of Ed Sheeran, but no, currently at number one is David Iwan with his miraculous patriotic song, Yma O Hyd. Great news, isn't it? I'm at Cardiff Market to see whether or not people have heard the song and if they've heard the news. And out of nowhere, this Welsh folk singer song has risen to the top to take the number one spot. Annie, what do you think about this?
Fantastic, yeah. Is it on Welsh media, Welsh language?
It is Welsh language, yes.
Yeah,
Do you speak any Welsh at all, Annie? Or?
Tipyn bach.
Tipyn bach.
Yes, well, I've been trying to learn for years and years
Yeah?
and years, but I'm really bad. But my daughter can speak very well, my son can speak a bit, and my grandchildren are in Welsh school, so it's fine, they can speak fine.
Of course they can.
So if I can't do it, they do it for me.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, what a surprise. Yeah.
And the context of the song is Yma O Hyd means we're still here. So the Welsh language, the Welsh people as a nation, despite everything and everyone, we're still here as a nation. Do you think the passion of the Welsh has maybe driven it to number one? Why do you think it's gone so high?
I can't think of any other reason. It must have been, yeah.
I mean, obviously you work in the heart of Cardiff and Cardiff Market.
Sure.
You must see passionate Welsh people all the time.
Of course, yeah. Especially for like major events, sporting events, yeah.
Well, Alan, there's no other person I could have this conversation with than yourself. Music legend, of course, Alan from Kelly's Records. Alan, a very particular song has reached number one in the iTunes song chart, beating the likes of Lewis Capaldi, Stormzy. It is David Iwan's Yma O Hyd. Are you familiar with that song?
Oh, of course I'm familiar. It's a Welsh legend, but I'm amazed. But that's in the Welsh consciousness. If you're a Welsh language speaker, everybody would know that song.
I understand you've got one of his records here.
We have got it. We have. There you are. David Iwan, the man himself.
Yma O Hyd. Currently at number one in the iTunes songs charts is David Iwan's Yma O Hyd. What's your general reaction to that of it?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's nice, obviously, because it's just a Welsh song and it's doing amazingly well. But I think I was thinking about it, thinking, well, why's that happened? And all I could think of was, is it a generation thing where people's cassettes and CDs are finally breaking, and they're starting to wear out, and people like where I'm from, Cardiff, have finally decided, you know what, we're going to have to download. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, exactly. They're going to have to start, moving with the times, or maybe it's just a huge generation thing, all downloading at the same time.
But what do you think about that? I think that's incredible, or?
I says, hallelujah, bring back the music.
There we are, Mrs. Margaret Hoppers. You heard it here first. Hallelujah, bring back the music.
Yes.